STACAB presents FridgePad, an innovative system that enables the control of the sanding temperature, reducing energy consumption up to 30%. But how does it work? Thanks to a heat exchanger built into the pad holder connected to a high-capacity industrial chiller, FridgePad allows heat transfer between the belt and the pad holder, dissipating the temperature generated during the sanding process and reducing the deformation of the pad. FridgePad lowering the temperature achieves a reduction of energy consumption, a flatter and more uniform sanding, increasing belts and pads lifetime with a fire risk reduction. FridgePad, better performance, less consumption.